Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: which of the following is not an e-commerce transaction? A. An automobile manufacturer sells 10,000 pickup trucks to a dealer on a B2B website. A. B. Drew sells a set of 7 book on inventory management to auction on eBay. 7. Jezmyn book a hotel room in California for 3 days in the last week of December on airbnb.com. D. Sophia hires a neighborhood plumber to fix a leaking faucet and pays him after the repairs are complete. And the answer of the question is the option that is not an e-commerce transaction is D. Sophia hires a neighborhood plumber to fix a leakage faucet and pays him after the repairs are complete. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.